Hey everyone, I'm Sheena, founder of Kosas, and I'm here at the MECCAversity studio. You guys wanna know my secret eyeliner trick that I always do? Okay, it's SoulGazer Intensifying Gel Eyeliner. One of my favorite things about SoulGazer is the shade range. This shade range is inspired by colors that we see in nature. One of the places where we actually find color in nature is in our own eyes. And these shades are really designed to intensify your natural eye color. They take you out of your comfort zone of just like a traditional brown or black, but they still feel like you. And the overall result is that it makes your eyes look really pretty. Okay, I'm gonna use the shade Enigma, and this is a shade that I would normally have never thought to use before, but now that I have it, it's become one of my favorites. It's a blackened blue satin, so it almost gives you that effect of deep, dark ocean water, and it creates that same kind of mystery when you put it on your eyes. The most important thing when doing your eyeliner is to look straight ahead. The minute I look down or I close my eye, I have no idea how to follow the lines of my face anymore. And that's when things get really complicated. So we look straight ahead, eyes open, and I'm gonna follow my lower lash line as though there's an imaginary dotted line going from the end of my lash line straight up, just continuing that line, because the point is to just elongate my eye a little bit. So now I have the basis of that line, and I'm gonna follow it right back straight across my lid, all while looking straight ahead. And now that I have that outline, I can close my eye and fill it in. The SoulGazer comes with a little smudger at the end too, and I'm gonna use that to just soften the line on my lower lash line a tiny bit. It also has a built-in sharpener so that you can create that point whenever you needed it. No one would have usually said that a deep blue eyeliner is the right shade for brown eyes, but there's something about the intensity of both shades next to each other that almost creates a form of tension that's just like so alluring, it just draws you in. I love to tightline my, what do you call this? My upper inner waterline. And that just helps there be no break between my eye and my lash line. I feel like a new person on this side. SoulGazer is a gel liner, and one of the active skincare ingredients in it is hyaluronic acid. So it actually provides you with a little bit of hydration on your eye. Anyone who has a really difficult time with smudging or keeping their eyeliner in place, oily lids, anything like that, SoulGazer is the perfect eyeliner because it absolutely does not move. This is one of my favorite eyeliner tricks. I use the shade Gravitate. Gravitate is really special. It's like a nudie shade, but it's like just the right tone. We worked really hard to create a tone that looks really human and natural, and I use this on my inner waterline, and it just makes my eyes pop. So if you'd like to find your own SoulGazer, head into Mecca or jump online. Thanks for spending time with me. Bye.